Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another Geoguessr video. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Daily challenge for the day. Let's get into it. Alright, where are we thinking? Ooh, immediately European. Ooh, maybe not actually. No blue on the plates. So... But it feels very European. Unless it's just a French-speaking country. I don't think that's French. I could not tell you where we are right now. Boutique. Unless we're thinking like up here. I don't know what Finland's plates look like. Sealand. This is a very German-speaking country. I'm pretty sure that's German. Oh, that's CH. Switzerland, I believe. Which makes sense for the area. I just didn't realize they're like full white on the license plates. Where do you think we are in Switzerland? We're near Publix. I guess that's some information. Only got a minute. I mean, not that Switzerland is very big. I think I'm gonna have to just guess. Let's go back to the beginning and see if there's anything else we can see. Yeah, I don't know. I think we are gonna go near Bern, but I'm not sure. Ugh. Well, it wasn't bad. It was right outside of Bern, so I'm happy with a 4940. All right, yellow road lines, but okay, not sure that language just yet. Very pretty mountains. Come on. Oh, Aberdeen, UK. The N9 to Aberdeen. Is there an N? Where are the N's at? See A's. Come on, show me an N. That's A9. They're all A's. Oh, there's a B. Okay. N9 to Aberdeen. Didn't really feel like this was the UK, but guess it could be. No, we're in Southern Hemisphere. I don't know where we are. Right? Sun's in the north, yeah. I need some more information. They have N's, they have M's. It's all red. I'm not sure at all. Guys, I could be totally wrong here. But I think I'm gonna have to put it there. Oh, that was tough. I didn't know there was an Aberdeen in South Africa. I don't even know where it is. Yellow edge lines. Okay, South African roads. Man, that was a tough second round. Hardee's. America, maybe? Wingstop. Definitely feeling American. South to where was that? Maryland, okay. The 713. Still in Maryland, right? Nope. Come on, show me the 713. I'm not sure. Might be better to find Disney Road, okay. Might be better to find a town name somewhere. Arundel? Okay. Not sure if that's a town name either. Arundel County. Okay. That's not a town name. It's not too big, but we're in Maryland. I just can't find the 713. I'm gonna just put in a place outside of Maryland or Baltimore. Come on. It's ones like these I should get like 100%, but I just don't know. It was just in Baltimore. There's no 713. I'm just confused. Eastern U.S. uses Hardee's brand exclusively. Well, that doesn't help because there's a Hardee's in my state too, which is not in the East. All right, we need to get a good one here. This is immediately giving like South America. Yeah. Something like that. So should I read the bottom? Okay. Merci. Brazil. I mean, I could see Brazil. That's something. I don't know where in Brazil. I'd like to just throw a guess down, but I know I should look farther. I just don't think I'm going to find anything else. San Francisco. Sao Paulo. Sao Luis. Sao Carlos. I feel like I've seen San Francisco, and I think it was like south, but I could be totally off. San Francisco. Wait. I don't know. But I am going to have to put there. Is there another one? No, it's Sao Joao dos Patos. Okay. That's weird. Immediately Scandinavian vibes. This is kind of a rough day for me, isn't it? I would like a domain, maybe on the back of that truck. Maybe it's not Scandinavian, but it feels like it, though. Especially with all these red houses, it's feeling like Sweden, but it doesn't really look like Swedish language. Maybe I'm wrong. I need to find something that solidifies my thoughts, though. Let me see something, please. Oh, by Ulu. Wait, that's Finland? Ulu. Where's Ulu? Am I dumb? Where is Ulu? There it is. 201 kilometers to Ulu. 120 heading where? Heading east. Looking for Vasa. I don't have a street, or you've... Where's the bus? I feel like if anything, it's down here, but I could not tell you. What? Oh, it was just south, even though it was looking like we were heading north. Oh, duh. I'm so sorry for my loss. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Anything is greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Ciao.